What's up guys, I'm Suman from Phones Teen. Now the OnePlus 7T and the OnePlus TV are going to be announced in few hours from now, and with those devices OnePlus has created quite a hype, especially with the OnePlus 7T and the OnePlus TV. The company themselves and the CEO himself has been releasing photos and specifications of all these devices. So let's see what we should expect from this launch, and without wasting any time, let us begin. Now let's talk about the OnePlus 7T. Now I think the CEO himself was very excited about this device, that he kept on posting photos of the OnePlus 7T on social media. But let's talk about the specifications first. We have a 6.5-inch Fluid AMOLED display. So this here is a 90Hz panel. Of course it is confirmed, and this here is not going to be a curved display like the OnePlus 7 Pro, but still we are getting a 90Hz AMOLED display. Now I'm not sure about the resolution, I'm not giving any thoughts on that, but to reduce cost it might not be a Quad HD panel. It has a Snapdragon 855 Plus processor, which is slightly faster than the 855, Adreno 650 GPU, 8 gigs of RAM, 128 or 256 gigs of inbuilt storage, and it will have a 48 plus 12 megapixel plus 16 megapixel triple camera setup. The front camera is going to be a 16 megapixel camera with EIS. So the battery here might be a 3800 mAh battery. Now this will come with Warp Charge 3T. So this is a little like 20% faster than what you get on the OnePlus 7 Pro. And this will come with Android 10 out of the box with the Oxygen OS skin, which is of course one of the best. Now talking about the pricing. It will of course not be as costly as the OnePlus 7 Pro, but since it has a 90Hz display and many other upgrade features like a better camera and all, it should be somewhere around the 36-37 price range. Now even that pricing is like really good, because you're getting such amazing specs, a very good display, and for 37,000 I think that here is a good deal. But we are not sure about the pricing, so we have to wait and watch for that. Now moving on to the OnePlus TV, and similar to the OnePlus 7T, they have been leaking a lot of pictures of the OnePlus TV, and from the pictures they have posted, we can definitely see that they have put a lot of work in this television. So let's talk about the specifications of the OnePlus TV, and again, like similar to the OnePlus 7T, this might be legit or not. So again, these here are collected from the internet. So all these are leaked and things like that, all mixed together and put together. So we don't know which will change, which will not. So make sure you watch the live stream. Now under the specifications, we have a 55-inch TV. So this here is going to be a QLED TV, and it of course the resolution is going to be 4K. It will have HDR10 with Dolby Vision support. Now the best part about this TV is that it might have a 100 Hz refresh rate panel. Now if that is true, then amazing, because of course OnePlus is not going to price the TV like very high. So this here is going to be one of the best TVs that any person can buy, especially if you are into gaming. Now probably it will run two OSs. So one is going to be the Oxygen OS TV, a custom OS from OnePlus, and the Android TV itself. Now both OSs of course are going to be really smooth, and you know OnePlus made Oxygen OS amazing, so this again should be amazing too. Now it will have 8 speakers, so this is official, and with Dolby Atmos support. Now it might come with 2.5 gigs of RAM, 16 gigs of storage, and it will have Netflix, Prime Video, Chromecast built in. Now these here are the specs. So again, as I previously mentioned, this might be true, might not be true, things may change, so definitely watch the live stream for this. Now about the pricing, so I really can't figure out how the pricing is going to be, because this is a new product from OnePlus and it is a different segment that they are like launching a product in. So it is actually difficult for me to determine how this product is going to be priced. Now with all this, I think this here should be a really good value if it is priced around 60 to 70,000 rupees. Now if OnePlus does that, we will have two amazing products released on the same day. Now the OnePlus 7T and the OnePlus TV are the two most anticipated products from OnePlus, and with few hours to go for the launch event, I think we have to wait and see what OnePlus is coming up with, especially in terms of the pricing. If they nail the pricing, both the products are hits. And again, as I previously mentioned, the specs might change for both the products, so just make sure you have your eyes hooked on the live stream. Anyways, thanks for watching, and this is Suman signing off once again. Catch you later.